hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young. Hi besties, welcome to our space. On today's video we are making plantain pepper soup. So inside the pot we have assorted meat. This is crayfish and fresh pepper. I blended the two together. This is sliced onion and this is uda seed. This is pepper soup spices. Yeah, this combination of uda seed, nutmeg, and then salt, a cube of seasoning, cover and allow to cook. Return to the next ingredients, which is plantain. So this plantain will be peeling like this because we'll be adding this to our pepper soup. Yeah, this is the main sauce. This is the chief host of the day actually. So we'll slice like this, then get our vegetable, which is scent leaf, also known as nchuanwu in Igbo. So we're going to be chopping it like this, just like this. And after that we return to our pot to check on the meat to see how far. Wow, the aroma is everywhere, even though we've not finished. So stir, and then wow, look at it. So introduce the plantain. Look at it. So you all know we used ripe plantain, right? So it won't be taking long. So I will then cover and allow it to continue cooking. Yeah, come back, check on it, and this is it. Wow. At this point I'm salivating already, and I hope you are. I know you are already. So at this point the pepper soup is pepper souping. You know, they will be dissecting this with something, no, but don't screw it. So introduce the vegetable for today. This is scent leaf, also known as nchuanwu. Stir, and at this point I tell you, just allow for 2 minutes and it will be good to go, my dear. I won't end this video without thanking every of my subscribers on YouTube. You guys are the best. Thank you for the minute fit to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your likes, comments, and shares. And if you're watching us from Facebook, thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your like, comments, and shares. And if you're watching us, thank you so much. If you're watching till this moment, thank you. Please do subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. If you're still contemplating whether to subscribe, you see this portion is coming right to your doorstep, because at this point we are good to go. And we'll be dissecting it with rice. One good thing about this is it can go with anything. You can decide to take it like this, you can decide to take it with rice, you can decide to eat, in fact, anyhow where you chop them, it go enter. So at this point, come over, all my subscribers on YouTube, all my followers on Facebook. Come, is about to go down. Is about to go down, because we are good to go. This is me dissecting my own portion. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. If you're watching from Facebook, what I do you now? What you supposed to do? You know what you're supposed to do? Hit that blue button. Hit that. Thank you.